Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 24th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the upcoming expiry on the 29th. The max OI level is higher for both, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change in percent is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is lower than last week and still overbought, that's negative. Implied and historical volatility are both lower, that's positive. RSI is higher, positive. Divergence, that's negative. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are both higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. And the candlestick is neutral. The support this week is 6,000. The previous week's support is 5,850. The resistance is 6,000. And the resistance for the previous week was 5,860. And the overall prediction is that S&P 500 will go up this week. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.